Unforgettable Valentine's Day getaways, romantic escapes and unique adventures. Valentine's Day is the perfect opportunity to break away from the routine and create unforgettable memories with your special someone. Whether you're looking for a romantic escape, a luxurious staycation, or a unique journey, this guide has something for everyone. Let's explore some exciting options, from cozy domestic getaways to breathtaking international adventures, and even creative alternatives like cruises and scenic train rides. First, let's start with destinations right here in the United States. Picture this: a romantic stroll through Savannah, Georgia, where Spanish moss drapes over ancient oak trees and the cobblestone streets lead to charming squares. It's a step back in time, filled with boutique inns and candlelit southern restaurants. If you're drawn to majestic landscapes, consider Sedona, Arizona. Its red rock formations are stunning at sunset, and you can indulge in a couple's spa experience after a day of hiking or a jeep tour. For a snowy escape, head to Aspen, Colorado. Cozy up in a luxury ski lodge after a day of skiing, or enjoy the warmth of a private hot tub under a starlit sky. Prefer something more indulgent? Napa Valley, California offers wine tasting tours, vineyard stays, and even hot air balloon rides over the rolling hills. It's an idyllic setting for wine lovers and romantics alike. Looking to venture beyond borders? Let's imagine Paris, France, the city of love. Stroll along the Seine River, enjoy breathtaking views from the Eiffel Tower, and dine in intimate bistros as the city lights shimmer. Paris is the epitome of romance. Or how about Venice, Italy? Here, gondolas glide through serene canals as you savor the magic of this timeless city. Share a gelato in St. Mark's Square, or simply lose yourselves in its charming alleyways. If you're dreaming of sun-drenched views, Santorini, Greece, beckons. Watch the sun dip below the horizon from a cliffside villa where whitewashed buildings meet the deep blue of the Aegean Sea. For an exotic yet serene experience, head to Kyoto, Japan. This city's tranquil bamboo forests, serene temples, and traditional tea ceremonies create an ambience of peace and romance. And for sheer luxury, the Maldives offers overwater bungalows and crystal-clear waters. Snorkeling, private dining on the beach, and sunset cruises set the stage for an unforgettable escape. Not every romantic getaway needs to be far from home. A staycation can be just as special. Start by booking a luxury hotel in your city or a nearby destination. Choose one with amenities like a spa, a rooftop pool, or fine dining. Spend the day pampering yourselves with couples massages, room service, and cozy downtime in plush bathrobes. For a more personal touch, rent a charming Airbnb or a private cabin. Bring along your favorite wine, cook a meal together, and enjoy a relaxed evening by the fireplace or watching the stars. You can also plan an activity-filled day in your area. Think about visiting a local art exhibit, exploring botanical gardens, or taking a sunset walk in a nearby park. Sometimes it's the small things that make a staycation truly memorable. If you're seeking adventure and romance rolled into one, consider a cruise. A Valentine's cruise offers the chance to wake up to a new view every day. Whether it's a short sail to the Bahamas or a scenic journey along the West Coast, cruises combine luxury, entertainment, and relaxation. Picture yourselves lounging on a sunlit deck, sipping cocktails as the waves lap against the ship. By evening, dine at elegant restaurants and enjoy live performances before retreating to your private balcony. For the adventurous, daytime excursions might include snorkeling, exploring quaint coastal towns, or simply wandering hand in hand along a sandy shore. For a truly unique experience, embark on a scenic train journey. The Rocky Mountaineer in Canada offers breathtaking views of the Rockies, where snow-capped peaks and turquoise lakes create a romantic backdrop. You can savor gourmet meals on board while admiring the passing scenery. If you're in Europe, the Glacier Express in Switzerland is equally enchanting. This luxurious train winds through picturesque villages and alpine landscapes, making every moment feel magical. Even in the US, options like the Amtrak Coast Starlight provide stunning views of the Pacific coastline, from Los Angeles to Seattle. There's something timeless about the rhythm of the tracks and the intimacy of sharing the journey together. From domestic escapes to far-off destinations, luxurious cruises to scenic train rides, and even the charm of a staycation, there are countless ways to celebrate love this Valentine's Day. The most important thing isn't where you go, but who you're with. So, choose what speaks to your heart and make this Valentine's Day a celebration to remember. Thank you for watching.